sit in the lobby, show me something, keep it soft and tell nobody in your city, smoke exotics. Spin it slow.
Hey Rosettes, it's Yanni Rose and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a 360 wig, so I hope you dolls are super excited for that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. That's Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. All at Yanni Rose if you want to connect with me and become my what's BFF. Because we are sisters. We stand together, okay? But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the wig that we're going to get started with is this wig right here. It's a nice, I would call it like wavy. It's not like all the way curly, but it's a pretty wavy wig. I will leave like all the details that you need to know about this wig down below. This wig is from missbuy.com. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already bleached the knots on this wig, so if you want to know like more detailed video on how to bleach knots, I will leave some videos down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But I haven't plucked this wig or anything. I just want to show you dolls. Y'all know, if you haven't ever watched my channel, y'all know I like to show the easiest, simplest way, because our everyday women at home, we not doing the most, okay, to put on these wigs. We trying to put a little wig on, slay the day, slay the night, and be beat, okay? And we just don't have, you know, time. People got kids, people got jobs, people got things to do. We don't got time to be spending hours upon hours on plucking a wig and doing all this. So I really like the I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but I really like the hairline on this. I am going to pluck it a little bit, but like I said, the easiest trick I've learned is to place the wig on your head first and then pluck, because I've noticed sometimes I've plucked a wig and then put it on and cut it, and it's like all that hard work of me plucking really didn't look like I thought it was going to look on my head. So it's always best that you cut it and then pluck it. So right now, since I have on makeup, I'm going to take it off a little bit with some alcohol. But if you don't have on makeup, the best way to apply your wig is before your makeup, but you want to make sure that you prepare your surface, and with a little bit of 70% alcohol here. And I'm just gonna put it on some tissue, and all I'm going to do is just kind of wipe the surface right before my edges. And this is just going to ensure that the gel we use really sticks to our scalp, and it's going to help that lace really melt in. So you just want to make sure that this surface is super clean and dry. You don't want to make sure you don't have any oils or grease or anything like that. So all that makeup. So we're going to go ahead and fit this wig on. This wig does come with, let me see, 4 inside combs. If you guys can see, so 1 in the crown, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. And it does have an adjustable strap as well, so you can really fit it snug. So the parting looks really, really good since I bleached the knots. Another trick I do want to talk about is when you're cutting your wig, you can bleach, like, I don't know, y'all, I can't explain what I'm trying to say. But these are the baby hairs that they already made on the wig, and everything bleached pretty good. However, I noticed with any wig that I've ever had, like the first little centimeter of lace, like the knots don't really bleach. I don't know what it is. It's like that on like all wigs I've ever tried. So I suggest that you cut you cut that part off, like that bit off, if that makes any sense, and you really cut like where the hairline really starts. I don't know why, like those knots, I don't know what it is, but you trust me, you want to cut it right where like the knots actually bleach, because it's going to look the most natural on your skin tone. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm just holding my mirror and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. And like I said, I'm just kind of cutting around my hairline. I don't care if I like cut some hair. I'm not really, you know, concerned about that. So I don't know if you guys can see, but see right there, it looks perfect. And it's gonna look even better when I put like some foundation on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side as well. And don't use big scissors like I am. I just couldn't find my hair scissors. Hair scissors are like a lot thinner, so they do the job a lot better. But I had to do what I had to do, sis. All right, so that's that. So what I'm gonna do is just take it off and finish cutting it really quick. And then so what I'm doing for the back is I'm honestly just cutting it along like where it's already like, I'm just getting it super tight, cutting it super close to the back. Just make sure I'm cutting like all the lace off. And then right here is like where my ear flap is gonna be. So I just kind of go, it's already kind of like there for you. So if you go around here like this, you kind of create that ear flap. Boom. So you got all your lace off. All right, so I kind of got a mirror set up now so I can see what I'm doing. So right now I have it all cut. So I'm just gonna take some of my foundation in a flat brush. You wanna make sure you have a flat brush so you can really push the color into your lace. So what I'm gonna do is just go like this. And I recommend you using powder instead of liquid, because I notice when people use like liquid, it tends to kind of seep through the lace, and like that's not the look you want to go for. But the trick is to make sure that you're getting like really good on the edge of the lace, really where that lace is going to be hitting your skin. All right, so now you see, and look y'all, if I was to part it, like I said, it's gonna look even better. Like, look how it looks on my scalp. Really good. I'm gonna take this front comb and put it under my wig cap, just so this front part stays where it needs to be. And see, this flap was perfect the way I cut it. It fits around my ear like perfectly. If I was to go like this, it fits perfectly. Even on this side, it fits perfectly. So what I'm gonna do is just pull this up, like flip it backwards. So honestly, don't get too discouraged with like a 360 wig, because it's pretty much the same rules and the same concept as like a frontal wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this back. So to apply this wig, I'm gonna go in with my Gots to Be gel, which is thebomb.com, and I'm gonna take my broke ass comb. Y'all know how that goes. And what I'm gonna do is literally apply the thinnest layer on my skin. So I'm not putting any of this in my actual hair. I'm just making sure I got the thinnest layer before my actual edges. The lace is gonna look the most natural when it's sitting on your skin, because it's gonna melt into your skin, if that makes sense. The lace is not gonna melt into hair, you know what I'm saying, because it's not a flat surface. So you want to make sure that you have a flat surface. And this gel is a little old. When you get a fresh pack, a fresh gel thing, it's not gonna get so sticky that fast. Like, you're gonna have to wait. But this one is a little old, so it gets sticky a little faster. So all I'm gonna do is kind of fan it with my hands. Some people like to use a blow dryer. I necessarily don't like to use a blow dryer, because I feel like the heat or the coolness from the blow dryer dries the gel too fast, and you really want it right at that like tacky point, because like I said, you want to really merge the lace into the gel and let it lay flat on your skin. So if you dry it too much, it's gonna get like really sticky. You don't want it to be sticky. You want it to be a little wet and like a little tacky. If it's too sticky, it's just gonna stick. It's not gonna really like melt into your skin. So what I'm gonna start doing, I'm gonna push this back a little bit. I'm gonna get close for you dolls, and I'm going to lay it down. I'm gonna wait for like 10 seconds. Then I'm gonna just leave it there and gently press down the edges with my finger. So you want to do one side at a time. Make sure you're not getting any like baby hairs or anything like that. So I'm just gonna pull it tight and just press it down and hold for like 10 seconds. It's really simple, y'all. You just gotta trust the process, and you just have to hold it down until it's like really, until it's sticked, you know, because it may want to go back, especially if you got it like tight. And like me, I got it like super tight. So I'm just kind of holding it in. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to tie a scarf down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I will be right back. But you see it sticks, but the scarf is going to really like merge it and really soak the lace into my my skin. So I'm going to tie a scarf on it, and I'll be right back. So all I'm going to do now is hold my finger here and just kind of start plucking the hairline a bit. Not too much, but you know, just enough so it's not like too harsh. But this is like a good way for beginners, so you don't like over pluck, because you can't tend to like over pluck a frontal or a wig when it's off of your head, because you can't necessarily see exactly like the placement of everything. So it's just a little easier, I feel, for beginners to pluck. And then you have to understand that plucking takes a lot of time. But like I said, you don't want to make it too, you know, too crazy. You don't want to pluck too much, but you want to pluck it to where it's not a straight, you know, line. So I'm just plucking going back, and then I'm kind of plucking going down in some places, like kind of like where I would place the baby hair is where I'm like plucking. Alright, y'all, so now it looks like this. So you can wear this wig. Let me just part it a little bit. You can wear this wig like normally, like you would wear any other wig. So it's really pretty, like, you know, puffed out and stuff. So you can do that, and you can do other type of styles, or you just, you know, you can play with it. It's really cute and pretty. But what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put it in a bun again. Excuse my ashy ass elbows, y'all. It's almost like, you know, like a China doll. Or you can just take, I'm gonna take this brush that I have, and I'm gonna take some Eco Styler gel, just because it's a little softer than like other gels. And you can just take it and pull some hair down and make like little swoops, but not. Alright, so of course when you add a little gel and do a little baby hair, it looks a lot better. So if I was to scoot back, it looks like, you know, like China doll. Or you can always wear it just in a normal ponytail. Let me take the pin out so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna put it back. So it looks really cute, and I actually love 360 wigs. They're really fun and versatile, especially if you're someone that always likes to wear your hair up, or like to do like different buns and styles like that. I don't wear my hair up like that often, so I only really wear like wigs like this if I'm traveling. So they're really good for that, or if you're going somewhere where like you're gonna be in a pool, or you want to be slayed but like not, you know, cutesy, you know. So I will leave everything you need to know about this wig down in the description box below. Comment below if you're a pony or bun type of girl. I love a good little ponytail. So let me know which style you like the best down in the comment section down below. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you missed my hair or wig tutorials, and make sure to you know, make sure to turn those notifications on, because I do have more detailed beginners videos for you dolls about making wigs and installing them and things like that. I'm here to show you the easiest, you know, easiest way to get slayed. So I hope you dolls enjoyed this video, and yeah, love you dolls.